Now let's get into the tips, please listen and apply them.
Minimize time for leisure as you prepare for the examination. Get to the examination center early, at least 30 minutes before the start of the paper. Make sure you read and understand all instructions before you start work. Write your full name and index number in ink in the spaces provided on your answer booklet. Use 2B only to shade answers in the objective tests. Read through all questions carefully and make sure you understand the demands of each question before selecting the ones you wish to answer. In determining the requirements of a question, take note of the key words such as when, state, describe, calculate, compare, contrast, define, discuss, identify, illustrate, summarize. Be mindful of time you allocate to each question. Write fast and make sure your handwriting is clear and legible. Do independent work in the examination hall. Obey instructions to start and stop work.